In our schooling days, we usually rush to our school on our cycle to not miss our first class. But today, petrol is the best teacher, teaching the lessons to everyone. And the petrol price is going around 105 rupees per liter. And that lesson is teaching us to shift to an electric cycle. And I am here with ESSC LEV Get 7 electric cycle. And we are going to review this electric cycle and find out whether this is best or not. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. So this is the Get 7 electric cycle. I will start with the specifications of this electric cycle. This electric cycle is powered by a 48 volt 11Ah lithium-ion battery pack, which is a detachable battery pack which is fixed under the seat. And the battery pack has three different variants, which is the 11Ah battery pack, and the second one is 13Ah lithium-ion battery pack, and the third variant is the 16Ah lithium-ion battery pack. So the 48 volt 11Ah battery pack takes a charging time of around 5 to 6 hours, whereas the second battery pack variant, the charging time is around 6 to 7 hours. Finally, the 16Ah lithium-ion battery pack, the charging time is 8 to 9 hours. So the basic variant, which is the 11Ah battery pack, will provide you a range of up to 30 to 40 kilometers on a single charge, and the second variant will provide you a range of up to 40 to 50 kilometers on a single charge, and finally the third battery pack variant will provide you a range of up to 70 to 80 kilometers on a full charge. So talking about the motor of this electric cycle, of course every electric cycle comes with a 250 watt BLDC motor, and this is also comes with a BLDC hub motor, and it is 48 volt 250 watts. And whereas the braking of this electric cycle, you will get front and rear drum braking system. You don't get any disc brakes on this electric cycle. And this is the charger you will get. It looks like a laptop charger, and you can easily carry, very lightweight to carry as well. And the tires are 24-inch tube tires, and you can see that front and rear the same tires are 24-inch tires. And whereas the suspension part, you can see the front, they are mentioned it is a telescopic suspension here, and the rear side you will get 4 dual shock absorbers, and the company mentioned that these 4 shock absorbers will give a better ride comfort for the rider. And if you see the seat here, it is actually adjustable based on the utility purpose. If you want to go with a pillion, how you need to adjust means just adjust the seat like this. So this is a pillion rest, then you can close this, and this is the way you can fit the seat for the pillion. Otherwise, if you want to use this electric scooter for luggage purpose, and simply you can adjust like this, so you can keep any luggage bag here. That is the way you can multiple usage on this electric cycle. So I will explain about this electric cycle key operation, how can you on this electric cycle, and how to lock this rear wheel, everything I will explain now. So this is the main key here. This is the lock and unlock key for this Get 7 electric cycle. So you need to keep this key and just turn it once, so it will on this. So you can see the dashboard of this. So only 4 charging point indicators. So once you on this key, it will automatically on the light also, the front headlamp. It is an LED lamp. Once you double press it, it will get a more focused light. Now I will explain about the next features on this electric cycle. How to detach this battery pack. So this is a battery pack, how you need to use this key here. So this the Chinese symbol whatever showing on this key. Using this key you can detach this battery pack, but before we do that, you need to unlock this seat here, because we already locked the seat. So the key here, you need to unlock the seat. You need to turn this key around, and the seat gets unlocked. So in the next step, you need to unlock the battery pack here using this Chinese key here. So it is actually it is in lock state now. So to unlock this, you need to press this key back 2 times. So that's how this electric cycle battery pack is now free to remove. You need to unplug this cable. Then you can detach this battery pack, which is a 48 volt 11Ah battery pack. And this is the charging point here. Simply like a laptop charger it will be like. You need to keep this charging point and keep it in a 3-pin plug. Then that's how you can charge this lithium-ion battery pack. Now again you can keep this battery back. So once you kept the battery pack, you need to lock this battery pack here. Again you need to clockwise 2 times press the key forward and the battery pack will be locked. The same reverse strategy. And using the main key you need to lock this seat back. Finally, how to lock this rear wheel. So to prevent the theft, so you need to use this third key here, which is having a dot on it. That's it. Simply you can press the key and the rear will be locked and this wheel will not move. So to unlock this, again use this dot key here, and that's how you can unlock this rear wheel. And the company claimed that it will have better comfort because of the force suspension on this electric cycle, the rear side, and also these footrest also for the pillion. It will be comfortable whenever if there is a pillion on this, and there is a 2 footrest, one on the left side and one is on the right side. But you can see this rust is forming on. I'm not sure what happening. They could give some kind of protection for that. What are the iron element here? And accessories wise, this electric cycle comes with a mobile phone holder. So you can keep this to unlock this holder. You need to press this button and then you can keep your mobile. And this is for the support of the downside. And that's how you can fit this mobile phone for navigation purpose. And the quality is okay. Whatever the mobile holder they are providing, as per the pricing side, you feel satisfied with that. And to unlock this, again you need to press this button. So this is the horn of this electric cycle. I will show it. This is the sound of this electric cycle horn, and also the indicator lights there. This is the right and left side indicators. This and the left side indicator. And there is a carriage bag at the front part of this electric cycle. You can keep the charger or some of your utilities here. And also the light, I told you, right, this is the complete focus light, and this is the normal light. If you press 2 times, it will on this focus light. So this electric cycle has 3 modes here: mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. I have tested this top speed of this electric cycle in 3 modes. In the first mode I got around 18 km/h top speed. In the second mode I got a top speed of up to 28 km/h to 30 km/h. In the third mode I got a top speed of up to 33 km/h, that too in the flat road conditions. And I haven't tested this speed on this hilly road conditions or the down slope. But on flat road conditions, you will get a top speed of 18 km/h, 30 km/h and 33 km/h in mode 1, mode 2 and mode 3. So this is the footboard space of this electric cycle, and okay to keep your legs here. And I prefer to keep my legs on the pedal only because it is more comfortable, because you are riding an electric cycle. That's how you will feel a little more comfort on this electric cycle. I'm using this electric cycle from last 3 days and I would like to share my experience now. So starting with the suspension, because this is an electric cycle but the company claims to have a front suspension and rear 4 suspensions here. I don't find much suspension action on the front side and the rear side as well, because let me show you in live. So you can see the suspension action here. There is no momentum here. The suspension, usually if you go on roads, you need to feel that suspension, right? But I haven't feel that suspension. And also the rear side also, they have claimed to have the 4 suspension, but compared to the front suspension, it is a little better. But I don't think the 4 suspension is giving better ride comfort on this electric cycle. It is more to be a cycle only based on the suspension. They seems to have 4 suspensions, but if you go on flat road conditions, you will feel very comfortable on this electric cycle. But if there are up and downs and potholes, definitely you will feel a little discomfort on this electric cycle, especially the seat. You will feel a little hard on the seat, both the front and rear part of this electric cycle. And don't expect more comfort on this electric cycle. Just feel it as a cycle, and then only you can enjoy the ride on this electric cycle. And also one more feature in this electric cycle is the pedal assist here. So once you give pedal 2 to 3 times. It can actually save the battery on this electric cycle, and whatever the 30 to 40 kilometers of range the company claims to have, the maximum of 40 kilometer range you can get in the pedal assist only, because it will save the battery pack and it will get it back to the battery. Also, the load capacity on this electric cycle, my weight is 65 kilograms, and I have tested this electric cycle on the hilly areas in Vizag called Kailasgiri. Even in the hilly areas also, it is okay to climb this hilly road conditions with a 65 kilograms, but you can't expect so much of pickup and so much of flexibility on this electric cycle, because the 250 watt motor, and it is meant to use for singles mostly. But in the flat road conditions, okay, you can ride with doubles, but this electric cycle is mostly for singles based on my experience and the load on this electric cycle. And don't keep more weight on this electric cycle, maybe because of the 11Ah battery pack. Otherwise, if you use the 13Ah lithium-ion battery pack or the 16Ah battery pack, maybe you can feel somewhat a better pickup on this electric cycle. So most preferably, this electric cycle is for singles and doubles with flat road conditions, not for hilly road, not for hilly terrains, because it will form a lot of pressure on the battery pack and the motor. And the pedal assist also, why people are choosing electric cycle. So once you are running out of battery pack, you can use the pedal assist and you can reach the destination. But what I feel, so once you are running out of battery charge, the battery is zero, then you cannot ride this electric cycle not more than 10 km per hour, because pedalic system is completely integrated to the battery pack. As long as there is battery power, you can enjoy the ride, but once you are running out of battery, there is zero power left, you cannot ride this electric cycle like 30 to 40 km per hour like our schooling days. You need to spend a lot of energy on this, and we will also show that in our video. But if you see the current petrol prices, normal scooters gives a mileage of up to 40 kilometers per 1 liter of petrol, but this electric cycle only consumes half a unit, and it can provide a range of up to 40 kilometers. 40 kilometer range on petrol scooter for 100 rupees, or 40 kilometer range on an electric cycle with less than 3 rupees. So 3 rupees 40 kilometers. On the savings factor, definitely you can choose an electric cycle like this, because you can save a lot of money. And also in 2 years you will get the return of investment on this electric cycle, because the price of Get 7 electric cycle is 42,500 rupees for this 11Ah battery pack, whereas the highest battery pack variant, which is 16Ah with 70 to 80 kilometer range, you need to spend around 4,000 extra amount, which is 46,500 rupees. And the company is providing 1 year warranty on this electronic components, whereas 2 year warranty on the battery pack. So that's a complete review of Get 7 electric cycle. And if you are interested to pre-book this electric cycle, we will provide the contact details in the description below. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. Go green, go electric.